Have you ever felt tired for no reason, struggled to lose weight, experienced brain fog, joint pain, digestive issues, or skin problems? What if all of these symptoms had something important in common? The answer might be inflammation. Today, I'm going to explain what inflammation really is, why it matters, and what you can do about it naturally. Most people think inflammation is something harmful, but the truth is, inflammation is actually one of your body's most important survival mechanisms. If you cut your finger, catch a virus, or injure a muscle, inflammation helps your body heal and repair itself. This type of inflammation is normal, necessary, and temporary. The problem begins when inflammation doesn't switch off. Modern lifestyles can keep the body in a constant state of low-grade inflammation. Common triggers include processed foods, excess sugar, poor sleep, chronic stress, gut imbalances, environmental toxins, and lack of physical activity. Over time, this ongoing inflammation can affect almost every system in the body. Many people don't realize that chronic inflammation can show up as fatigue, brain fog, joint or muscle aches, digestive discomfort, skin conditions, mood changes, and difficulty losing weight. These symptoms are often your body's way of telling you that something deeper needs attention. One of the biggest drivers of inflammation is poor gut health. When the gut microbiome becomes imbalanced, it can influence the immune system and increase inflammatory responses throughout the body. That's why supporting gut health is often one of the most important steps toward improving overall well-being. The good news is that small daily choices can make a big difference. Focus on eating more whole foods, healthy fats, colorful fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, regular movement, quality sleep, and managing stress. These simple foundations help your body move from inflammation toward healing. Remember, inflammation is not the enemy, it's a signal. Your body is always communicating with you, and symptoms are often messages worth listening to. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may be struggling with fatigue, digestive issues, or unexplained symptoms. I'm Sylvia Smart, MHSc, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the science of natural health. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me what symptom or health challenge you'd like me to discuss next. I read every comment, and your question could inspire a future video. And if you'd like personalized support, you'll find information about my consultations and educational programs in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.